How to play Mobile Legends Bang Bang on PC. Now, if you do have a current emulator that you have specific software from your PC, then you can still use it and just download the mod or APK for Mobile Legends. But the easiest way to play Mobile Legends Bang Bang on PC is via the Google Play Beta. Now, just access your Google Chrome web browser and then just search for Google Play Beta. In here, what you want to choose is the specific website that will redirect you from the Google or the play.google.com's official site. Now choose on this link right here, and then you'll be redirected to the Google Play beta. Now all you have to do is just to download the software from Google Play Games. Now once you have downloaded it, this is gonna be the interface of the Google Play Games. You just have to install it 100%, and then once you have successfully installed this, this will actually work like your regular Google Play from or Google Play Store from your phone. Just log into your Google Play Games account and then just search for Mobile Legends, install it, and you should be able to play without any problems. And that's it. That's how you play Mobile Legends Bang Bang on PC.